To see what I did with this one. I just got a piece of wood. There, jammed it up in the forklift and cut an angle off the bottom, and then reinforced it like with a metal on the front edge, a bit of angle line. It's only like, I think, 40 mil by like 2 mil thick or something. A few straps to hold it in. Oh, it's just wedged up in there on the forklift frame. Worked pretty good, didn't it? Even went through some pretty hard clay on the driveway.
Sorry guys for not posting many videos. It's because the plane has been grounded for a while and we've been trying to fix it. But today we're planting native bushes and shrubs. This is a cypress pine, which is native to this area.
Hey guys, just a little update on the ripper, homemade ripper thing here. So I don't have to use the pick so much to clear out the trench. I was thinking of either trying to make it a bit wider so that it self-clears the trench a bit more. Also, check out the light tower. That's what you do when you don't have a welder. That should work. Just needed to make it a bit longer. Be able to rip a bit deeper when we go across tracks. Doesn't need to be that deep in the planted area. So we'll strap all that up and see how we go. Being a bit wider now, hopefully that'll clear the trench out and mean less work with the trenching shovel. It's a lot longer than the last one. A lot longer. Get it deeper to go under the tracks, and just hopefully being a lot wider, it'll self-clear the trench a lot more. Just won't be able to go too fast or put too much pressure on it, because I reckon it will snap right there. See how we go. Poor man's ripper. Turns out we found the limit very quickly. This one obviously went way too long, too hard. She's snapped up in there. So I think we'll go back to the other option. Just get on the shovel and the pick a bit more. See what the problem is there? Probably a good thing it did snap in a way, because then you're not loading up the whole front end loader section. Sort of was probably good that it snapped. We'll go back to the original pretty much. maybe just slightly longer on the metal bit. Rightio, let's see how we go where we left off when we snapped the last one. So this is only slightly wider than that very first edition. It's probably 50mm wide. The first one's 35mm wide. Slightly longer though. Going deeper might be good, especially across these tracks where we want to make sure the pipe's deep enough that we never see it again. We'll rip into it. Pretty funny dad joke. And snapped it again. Oopsie. I think we've found the limit of how deep you can go. Maybe the first model was the best one.
We're just revegetating this area with native pines, and it will attract butterflies and birds and a really good climbing tree, yes. This is the very last tree. We've just planted 120 trees all around here, the very last one. The very, very last. Except for doing our irrigation and guards, we are basically done. And it is still started in morning, midday. It's still daylight now, just.